Imagine stepping onto a plane in 2028 and there's no pilot in the cockpit. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you think. Get ready, because we're about to explore the piloted jet that could change air travel forever. Right now, in the skies above us, something incredible is happening. The U.S. military is testing a specially modified F-16 fighter jet named the X-6 Vista. This isn't just any plane, it's piloted entirely by artificial intelligence. And here's the kicker, it's already outperforming human pilots in complex aerial combat drills. In recent tests, the AI went head-to-head with a human-piloted F-16 and consistently came out on top. It made decisions faster and executed maneuvers more precisely than even the most seasoned pilots. So, how does it work? The AI system, known as an agent, processes massive amounts of data in real time. It analyzes factors like speed, altitude, and the opponent's position to predict their next move and react instantly. It's like a chess grandmaster, but playing at thousands of miles per hour, 10 miles up in the sky. This technology isn't just about dogfights, though. The lessons learned here are paving the way for safer, more efficient commercial flights. The AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't get distracted, and it can react to emergencies in fractions of a second. This isn't about replacing human pilots entirely, at least not yet. Think of it as the ultimate co-pilot. In the near future, commercial airliners could be equipped with this AI to assist human pilots, take over during long-haul flights, and handle critical situations with superhuman speed and accuracy. It could dramatically reduce human error, which is currently a major factor in aviation incidents. The goal is to make flying even safer than it is today. By 2028, we could see the first commercial flights with AI playing a major role in the cockpit. The future of aviation is taking off, and it's being powered by artificial intelligence. What do you think? Would you fly on a plane piloted by AI? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you're as excited about the future of technology as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. See you in the next one.